in Bangkok and quickly realized how delicious and cheap local Thai street food is, where basically under $2 you can get a very delicious meal. I started thinking that I should probably go to a local supermarket, buy some groceries here, and cook something myself for a change, so I can then compare whether it's even worth cooking and spending time preparing meals at home, and most importantly, how much this single portion of food is going to cost me if I cook it myself instead of just buying something already made for me. All right, it's official. It has been 1 week since we arrived in Bangkok, and today I decided that I'm a bit tired of Thai food. No kidding. Well, not really, but I wanted to cook something for a change. And it was the first time when I actually went to Lotus grocery store, not to just, browse around, look for things out of curiosity, but to actually buy something. Yeah, Casper, you agree with me. I know. So yeah, I just want to share what I bought. And I ended up spending 363.25 baht, which is roughly around 15 Canadian dollars. And I actually had to use a translator because, whenever you see those receipts from groceries, they of course all on Thai, so you just basically have no clue what you paid for. Yeah, so I used my credit card, and let me just quickly walk you through what I bought for 15 Canadian dollars. I got eggs for breakfast. There are 10 in a pack. Chicken breast. I'm still trying to understand the measurement, but it says 0.5, but they're basically two chicken breasts, medium size, sold for 8 baht. I also bought this cute little green onion, which looks very nice. I also got dragon fruit, purple cabbage for salads, and that was supposed to be 36 baht, but I think I got it from a section that's about to expire or something. Honestly, I'm not too sure what's wrong with it. It looks pretty decent, so I got it. I also got 3 bananas, pre-packaged, chocolate cookies. Not sure why I got them, but after a week of Thai food, I guess I just wanted something sweet. And then according to a Thai receipt that I translated on Google Translate, I got the ship's hull is in the water. And it actually translates to tomatoes. I got 4 of those, and 24 Thai baht, and 24 Thai baht is 74 cents USD. Soy sauce, and that turned out to be 27 baht. And the last but not least is peeled garlic, which I'm going to use for stir fries. I actually tried to find just a regular garlic to peel myself. I'm not that lazy, but somehow they were just selling them in a big bunches, and I figured I don't really need that much garlic unless, Casper is gonna eat it, but I don't think he's interested. So yeah, I got this prepackaged peel one, and it did cost me 25 Thai baht, which translates to 77 cents USD. So that's pretty much what I got today, and I think I'm going to start cooking my very first chicken stir fry with cabbage and tomato salad. Yeah, doesn't sound like Thai at all, but yeah, I'm actually pretty excited to do a bit of cooking because I do like to cook. And so far, we have only been cooking for Casper, because since we arrived, we cooked him a bunch of chicken, and this morning I boiled some pork for him for the first time. and he actually enjoyed it so much. What do you say, Casper? You ready to cook with me? Ready? Let's do it. I already chopped some garlic. I don't like skin on chicken because I think it's, high cholesterol friendly, so I usually try to remove it. By the way, this knife I brought all the way from Canada. I'm not sure if that looks like a stir fry. It's more like a boiling chicken. Chopping a tomato. Now the secret ingredient, coconut oil. Organic, fresh pressed, blah blah. I actually got this one from Canada and I brought it all the way here, not for cooking, but for skin. However, I didn't want to buy like a big bottle of oil at the store because there is no way we're gonna be using this whole thing. So yeah, I guess I'm gonna just borrow something from my skin product and I will add it to the chicken. Ready to chop some of the onions. And voila, the chicken is ready. Thai tomatoes. And ta-da! A final product. Now here is the verdict. It did cost me in the end around same money to prepare the meal myself, but I did end up spending 45 minutes cooking the meal, then another 10 minutes cleaning after myself, and again probably a 10-15 minutes walk to a grocery store. So for now, I would say, assuming how much time I spent in total, I don't think it's honestly worth it, at least right now while we are in Bangkok. This content may not necessarily be interesting to some of you, but I did create it specifically for my mom, as she was very curious to find out how expensive grocery stores in Thailand are. So hi mom, this video is for you. So hopefully you watch it and you give it a like. Bye!